ó máa bẹ̀bẹ̀ kiri ni kò ní bẹ̀bẹ̀ kẹ̀ ńgbà tó wà London gist lover ǹjẹ́ rí ní functions gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tó ti lọ sẹ́yìn very dark man lẹ́nìí ẹ̀yìn ẹ̀ náà wà ń gbà yẹn tó ń bá mú informations kiri gbogbo informations àti tí ò ní informations gbogbo àwọn ọmọ tó wà lẹ́yìn very dark man tó ti gba ìtúsílẹ̀ lọ́dọ̀ Ìyábọ̀ Òjó London gist lover kò rí àwọn ọmọ yẹn lò mọ́. Where was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó before the death of Fola and death of Mohbad? Where was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó? She was fully under gist lover operating, destroying people. That time you can't see her in any party. She was fully under gist lover. The moment she cannot collect donation again, ó ní láti gbójú ẹ̀ jáde. Simple arithmetic ní tó bá lọ́pọlọ ló mọ̀. Ẹja máa ṣe dáadáa. People like Ìyábọ̀ Òjó, except to buy pay, except if you are kind of a born failure, you don't she will continue begging everybody, and this everybody Ìyábọ̀ Òjó has been begging now. None of these people offended Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Nobody has ever offended her. She will be the one to destroy you under gist lover. Look at the way she destroyed everybody she's working with, everybody she's rolling with. Àwọn tí méjì wọ́n ti tán. They carry okùnrin kan pa na. Àwọn image o ma tó ń gbé kiri lẹ́ni image wọ́n ti tán. Why is it that it's only Ìyábọ̀ Òjó that is now begging around? Why is she the one? She's looking for people to revive her dead glory. Failed actress herself. She's so desperate. If you have your work, if you work so hard, you don't need validation from anybody. If your heart is pure, if your hands are clean, you don't need to go and beg anybody. You don't need to settle fights with people. Stay on your lane. So far, your heart is pure. But the moment she realized that she has destroyed a lot of people, she's now begging up and down. Imagine, just only one Lizzy Anjorin, Ìyábọ̀. Only one Lizzy Anjorin. You were begging the whole world to come and support you. And guess what? The whole world against God is nothing before God. Nothing before God. If you like, go to burial ground. Go and beg all the dead body you've sent to where you want to send them to. Me. Owó ti kú wàsó. Ibriate. This 2025. Careful. This 2025. If you no get brain, you don't fit get brain again. Okay, what is the usefulness of a friend that always destroy you whenever you have good news? What is the usefulness of a friend that will always use negative stories to destroy you, distract you, pull you down? What is the essence? What is the usefulness? You see, some of you are going through the same thing today. Some of you would have built house, buy cars, married, be successful, but you are always around people like Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. You are all, imagine the one she just begged today. When that one was doing housewarming, where was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó? Oh pin pin pin, oh pin pin pin, oh keremu get. When that one was doing housewarming, where was Ìyábọ̀ Òjó? Aha. When did that one commented under Naira Marley? When? Oh keremu je, ngbengbi. Èmi àti ò lè jọ pàdé. Èmi ò lè dáríjì ẹ́. Ìyábọ̀, èmi ò lè dáríjì ẹ́. Tí mi lè dáríjì ẹ́. Ó ti kọjá yẹ lọ́tẹ̀ yìí. Èmi ò lè dárí, Ọlọ́run ò lè dáríjì ẹ́. Lọ jí òkú Mohbad padà. Lọ dá ẹ̀wọ̀n ọdún 5 bàbá Ìjẹ̀ṣà padà. Go back. Èmi ò lè dáríjì ẹ́. Èmi ò ń ṣọ̀dàlẹ̀, ikú tó ń pojú gbà ẹni, òwe ńlá ló ń pa fún ni. Ọ̀bàyéjẹ́ ni aba, ó kò sóre kan tó lè tara Ísírẹ́lì ẹ̀ jáde Ìyábọ̀. Kò sí nǹkan kan tó dáa. Èmi kọ́. Ta ló notice wípé gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó bá ṣoore if you come up with a success story or with a good news in the film industry, you realize that IYABO OJO will be bullying you under this lover. She will be bullying you under this lover mercilessly.
ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ mà ti gbọ́ àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ yìí tí Lizzy Anjorin tí ó sọ nípa Ìyábọ̀ Òjó bí ó ṣe ń bẹ àwọn tí ó bá jà kiri lọ́tùn lósì. Ẹ sì ti gbọ́ bí ó ṣe sọ wípé ó ń ba ayé àwọn èèyàn jẹ́ lábẹ́ gist lover ni o.
And she will turn everybody against you.